Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect Printify to Odoo. So this is really quick and easy, but please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different and even just by listening. Integrating Printify allows you to automate product fulfillment directly from your Odoo store. So first, you will log into your Odoo, and once you're on your Odoo account, what you will have to do is go to your apps, and then you will go to apps again, and just wait for it to load. And here you will look for Shopify, I mean Prettify. So just go ahead and click that. And by the way, you do have to make sure that your version supports Printify and actually features this module. So once you see Printify, what you will have to do is simply install it. And uh after install, and by the way, it should look like this button right here. If you do have the Printify, you will just have to install it like this. And after you click install, you will just have to go to settings and click integrations, and then you will select Printify and click connect. And after that, you will log into your Printify account, and then you will just have to generate an API key and copy it. And then you will just have to paste the API key into your Odoo account and then click save, and the connection should now be established. And finally, you will just have to test by creating a Prettify product in Odoo and ensures that it syncs in correctly, and verify the inventory and order integration as well. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.